In the last video, we have learned complementary angles. Now, we are going to learn today supplementary angle. Supplementary angles. Okay. Here, a line AC is shown in the figure. A ray BD stands on it. Because of ray BD, two angles are formed here. Angle ABD. This one first. Angle ABD and angle CBD. These two angles are formed on this line AC. Okay. Now we are going to measure these two angles. With protractor. First of all, angle ABD. ओके. आता लेफ्ट हँड साईडचा अँगल मेजर करायचा आहे म्हणून आपल्याला आउटर स्केल कन्सिडर करावं लागेल. प्रोट्रॅक्टरवरचा आउटर स्केल कन्सिडर केला आपण तर अँगल ABD मेजरमेंट ऑफ अँगल ABD इज 105 degree. Okay. Then we have to measure angle DBC. Right hand side line. So we have to consider inner measurement of the protractor. Now this angle is 75 degree Celsius. 75 degree. Measurement of angle CBD is 75 degree. Okay. We get measurement of both the angles. Now we are going to add them. Angle ABD measurement of angle ABD plus measurement of angle CBD. Okay. How many? Measurement of angle ABD is 105 degree plus measurement of angle CBD is 75 degree. Then we get 180 degree. So if the sum of the measurements of two angles is 180 degree, then they are known as supplementary angles. म्हणजे दोन कोनांच्या मापाची बेरीज जर 180 अंश असेल तर ते दोन कोन आपण त्यांना म्हणतो सप्लिमेंटरी अँगल्स. ओके. In the last video we have learned complementary angles in which the sum of measures of two angles is 90 degree, and in supplementary angles the sum of the measures of two angles is 180 degree. Okay. Now angle ABD and angle CBD are supplementary angles. Now observe the angles in the figure. I have drawn angle PQR and angle MNT. Okay. First of all, I am going to measurement of angle PQR. That is 106 degree. Okay. Then measurement of angle MNT that is 74 degree. If measurement of angle PQR plus measurement of angle MNT, then we will get 106 degree plus 74 degree, that is 180 degree. So angle PQR and angle MNT both are supplementary angles. Okay. Now we are going to solve practice set 17. First example. Find the measure of the supplement of an angle of 120 degree. Let the supplementary angle measure T degree. Okay. And we know that the sum of the measures of two supplementary angle is 180 degree. So 120 plus P is equal to 180. So first of all, we have to subtract 120 from both sides of the equation. Plus P minus 120 plus 180 minus 120. Then we get P is equal to 60. So the measure of the supplement of an angle of 120 degree is 60 degree. Okay. Now you have to solve practice set 17 in this way. Okay. Which this practice set is based on supplementary angles. I have drawn line AC here. Angle is formed on this line. Which angle is formed on this line? Correct. A straight angle is formed. Straight angle is formed here. This one. Okay. That is angle of 180 degree. Straight angle is formed on this line, and here are two rays whose origin is point B. Ray BC and second ray BA. ओके. ही जी लाईन आपण ड्रॉ केली आहे, लाईन AC, ही जी स्ट्रेट लाईन आहे हिच्यावर स्ट्रेट अँगल तयार झाला 180 डिग्रीचा, आणि दोन रेस पण आहेत की ज्यांचा कॉमन ओरिजिन आहे बी, पॉइंट बी, रे BC अँड रे BA. नाउ वी कॅन से these two rays, ray BA and BC, meet to form a straight angle and we get a straight line. Okay, so we can say that ray BA and ray BC are opposite rays. Okay, opposite rays. Okay, when two rays meet to form straight line and straight angle having common origin, we can say that these two rays are opposite rays. म्हणजे जेव्हा दोन रेषा त्यांचा कॉमन ओरिजिन पॉइंट असतो आणि ते एक स्ट्रेट लाईन तयार करतात आणि एक स्ट्रेट अँगलही बनतो, तेव्हा त्यांना आपण म्हणतो अपोजिट रेज. टू rays which have a common origin and form a straight line, a straight line are said to be opposite rays. Okay, two rays which have a common origin and form a straight line are said to be opposite rays. Okay, now we have practice set 18, which is based on opposite rays. First of all, first example, name the pairs of opposite rays in the figure alongside. ह्या फिगर मध्ये आपल्याला अपोजिट रेजच्या पेयर सांगायच्या आहे. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल रे PN and ray PT, because they form a straight line here and also they have common origin point P. And second pair, ray PL and ray PM, because they have common origin point P and they form a straight line. Okay, these are two pairs of opposite rays. Then are the ray PM and PT opposite rays? Ray PM and PT are not opposite rays because they have common origin point P, but they do not form a straight line. So PT and PM are not opposite rays. Okay, again you have to solve this practice set 18 in your notebook. Then angles in a linear pair. I have drawn here a figure. Now we are going to learn a new concept, angles in a linear pair. Okay, here the angles PQR and angle RQS are adjacent angles. We have learned adjacent angles and are also supplementary angles because the sum of the measures of both these angles is 180 degree. So these two angles are supplementary angle and adjacent angles also because they have common point, common arm, and their interior are separate. Okay, and the sum of the measures is 180 degree, so they are supplementary also. The arms that are not common, that is arm QP and QS, these arms are not common to both angles, form a pair of opposite rays. That is, this arm forms a straight line. So we say that these angles form a linear pair. Okay, the sum of the measures of the angles in a linear pair is also 180 degree. Now, what are linear pairs? Angles which have a common arm and whose other arms form a straight line are said to be angles in a linear pair. And also these angles in a linear pair are supplementary angles. Okay, म्हणजे ॲडजस्टंट अँगल्स पण 180 डिग्रीचे आहेत. ॲडजस्टंट अँगल्सच आपण सप्लिमेंटरी पण असू शकतील आणि सप्लिमेंटरी अँगल्ससुद्धा लिनियर पेअर असू शकतील. Now we have to solve practice set 19. Okay, draw the pairs of angles as described below. If that is not possible, say why. First, complementary angles that are not adjacent. Complementary angles, for this practice set you have to learn concept of complementary angles, adjacent angles, supplementary angles and angles in a linear pair. ओके, ह्या कन्सेप्ट तुमच्या क्लिअर पाहिजे. कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी अँगल, सप्लिमेंटरी अँगल, ॲडजस्टंट अँगल्स, अँगल्स इन अ लिनियर पेअर, तरच हा प्रॅक्टिस सेट 19 तुम्हाला सॉल्व करता येईल. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल first complementary angles that are not adjacent. Complementary angles means a pair of angles and the sum of the measures of that angle is 90 degree. So first of all, first pair, first angle, that is 50 degree. 50 डिग्रीचा पहिला अँगल काढला आपण, कारण आपल्याला कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी अँगल्स हवेत. हा झाला 50 डिग्रीचा पहिला अँगल PQR and second angle $40. हा 40 डिग्रीचा आहे. That is ABC, angle ABC. This is our first example. Complementary angles that are not adjacent. We have drawn here angle PQR and angle ABC. Their sum of their measures is 50 plus 40, that is 90 degree. So these two angles are complementary angles, but they are not adjacent because they have not common point, common arm. Their interior are different, separate, but they have not common point and common arm. So these two angles are not adjacent, but these two angles are complementary. This is our first example. Now second example, angles in a linear pair which are not supplementary. This is not possible because angles in a linear pair are also supplementary angles, because the sum of the measures of linear pairs, angles in a linear pair and supplementary angle is 180 degree. So this is not possible to draw angles in a linear pair, but they are not supplementary. दिस इज नॉट पॉसिबल. त्यांची लिनियर पेअर्स म्हटलं की त्यांची सम 180 डिग्रीच असणार, म्हणजे ते सप्लिमेंटरी असणारच आहेत. देन थर्ड, कॉम्प्लिमेंटरी अँगल्स दॅट डू नॉट फॉर्म अ लिनियर पेअर. ओके, इन धिस वे यू हॅव टू सॉल्व प्रॅक्टिस सेट 19. नाव in the figure alongside, line PT and line RS intersect each other at the point Q. Thus, four angles are formed. This also, four angles are formed. Angle PQR. PQR is formed by the rays QP and QR. The rays opposite to ray QP and QR are QT and QS. These opposite rays form the angle SQT. Hence, angle PQR and angle SQT are said to be vertically opposite angles. म्हणजे अँगल PQR ज्या रेजने फॉर्म झाला आहे त्या रेजच्या अपोजिट रेजने हा अँगल SQT फॉर्म झाला आहे. म्हणजे QPचा अपोजिट रे आहे QT, QRचा अपोजिट रे QS, आणि त्यांनी पण एक अँगल फॉर्म केला आहे अँगल SQT. म्हणून अँगल PQR त्याचा अपोजिट अँगल आहे अँगल SQT. हे व्हर्टिकली अपोजिट अँगल्स झाले. आणि दुसरी पेअर अजून एक तयार होईल इथे, अँगल PQS आणि त्याचा अपोजिट अँगल आहे अँगल आर क्यू टी. अँड म्हणजे ही फर्स्ट पेअर आहे व्हर्टिकली अपोजिट अँगल्सची आणि ही सेकंड पेअर आहे. म्हणजे हा अँगल याला हा अँगल अपोजिट आहे आणि याला हे दोन अँगल एकमेकांना अपोजिट आहेत. ओके. द अँगल फॉर्म बाय द अपोजिट रेज ऑफ द आर्म्स ऑफ अन अँगल इज सेड टू बी अपोजिट अँगल्स. मग याच्या काही प्रॉपर्टीज पण आहे. द प्रॉपर्टी of vertically opposite angles. Now we are going to learn properties of these vertically opposite angles. Okay. Vertically opposite angles ची प्रॉपर्टी काय आहे तर मेजरमेंट ऑफ अँगल PQR इज इक्वल टू मेजरमेंट ऑफ अँगल SQT. म्हणजे व्हर्टिकली अपोजिट अँगल्स जे आहेत ते इक्वल मेजरमेंटचे असतात. अँड मेजरमेंट ऑफ अँगल PQS अँड मेजरमेंट ऑफ अँगल RQT आर इक्वल. दॅट इज दे आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट. दे आर कॉन्ग्रुएंट और इक्वल इन मेजर्स. समजली प्रॉपर्टी. व्हर्टिकली अपोजिट अँगल्स form when two lines intersect are of equal measurement.